What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2020 Ram 1500 that we just got done lifting, added new wheels and tires to. So if you guys are looking for a build for your own truck, trying to figure out what wheels and tires, what lift kit to go with, you should definitely take a look at this one and what we did to it. So first off, I just want to say overall this is a really good look for this build. I love the wheels and tires we added to it with the lift kit, getting it some stance. And overall, I just really like the blacked out look, especially with the fuel rebels, which I will get to. But first off, I'm gonna go over the lift kit, what we added, which is gonna be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit with the lifted strut spacer. So when you get a lift kit from Rough Country, you have pretty much 3 options. You can go with the lifted strut spacer, like this one. The reason why we chose this one is because with it being a 2020 brand, having practically no miles on it, it's going to be pretty much, you don't have to replace those struts quite yet, so you have your good factory ride, so the ride quality isn't really going to change much if you would go with the lifted struts. That is the second option, is the lifted strut. So you do have a vehicle that does have a little bit more mileage on it. That is something you should definitely consider. You can get some of that ride quality back with those lifted struts. The third one was going to be the adjustable coilovers with the Vertex shocks. That one's the high-end package for the lift kits by Rough Country. They're going to give you the best ride quality if you choose to go with that one. So with this wheel and tire package and the lift kit, we do have to do some trimming down here on the plastic piece. So when you go in for a full lock turn, that is not going to be rubbing anymore with that trimming. Just a little bit, just so we don't have that problem. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Bridge Grappler. So this one is the hybrid tire between the mud terrain and all terrain tires by Nitto. It's going to give you the aggressive look of a mud terrain tire, but it's also going to give you the really good performance on the road, quiet ride, and a long tread life. If you want to, you can go with the Trail Grappler, which is going to be the more knobbier, the more off-road look, and also it's going to give you the performance of the off-road tires like you want to. Or you can go with the all-terrain Trail Grappler G2, which is going to give you the best ride quality and the longer tread life again, and also still give you a little bit of an aggressive look as well. Down here, we're coming down to one of my favorite wheels, which is going to be the 22x12 Fuel Rebel. This one gives you a really nice aggressive look, an off-road design that just really makes your truck look more aggressive. This one does have that concave look with a -44 offset, so that center of the wheel is going to be pushed in quite a bit, and also push that wheel and tire package out 4 to 5 inches, giving a nice wider stance like I mentioned before. So if you guys like this wheel, there's a lot of different options you can go with. They had different options for the amount of spokes that are on them, from a 6 to 8. I think they even have a 5-spoke one, and then they also have all the different lug patterns and a lot of different sizes from 17 or 18 in diameter all the way up to, I believe, 22 to 24. So all those sizes are going to be down in the description, so if you guys have any questions about that, make sure you check it out there. So like I said, this is a really good look for this truck. I love the blacked out look that we have going on, especially with the Fuel Rebels, my favorite wheel. Also, if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, we can do that right here at Krietz Customs. So if you guys are interested in doing that, make sure you contact us. But also, we offer 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys are looking to get wheels and tires or a whole build, that's also an option for you, which you can check out down below.